Smartphone cameras are getting better every year, but if you really want to take control of your pictures and learn the art of photography, a dedicated camera is still the best option. Thanks to their big image sensors, high quality lenses, fast autofocus, and dedicated photo and video features. For beginners, the challenge is not finding a camera that can take great pictures, but the challenge is knowing what to look for. So here in this video, I have made a list of 5 best beginners cameras that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Nikon D3500. If photography is your main pursuit and video specification really are not important, the Nikon D3500 is a fantastic low-budget beginner camera choice. Housing a top-quality 24.2 MP APS-C sensor, the D3500 can capture detailed and rich images. At a glance, it appears low on features, but the Nikon D3500 includes super handy dedicated guide mode that sits on its dial. Guide mode is a basic virtual photography tutor that will walk you through all of the camera's functions, including in-camera photo editing. It can be tailored to provide full assistance or allow for more advanced control as you grow in confidence and experience. There are 2 kit lenses available with the D3500, but we recommend that you opt for the DX18 to 55 VR kit lens. VR stands for vibration reduction and it costs a fraction more than the other option. But with the VR stabilization enabled, you will get better shots handheld, especially in low light conditions. Consider this camera for its good quality 24 MP sensor, excellent value for money and impressive 1550 shots battery life. The disappointments here are basic external controls, fixed screen without touch functions. Canon EOS 250D. The Canon EOS 250D is the first entry-level DSLR to feature 4K movie capture, and it replaces the popular EOS 200D in Canon's lineup. Indeed, the dual pixel CMOS autofocus system for live view and movie modes inherited from its predecessor makes the camera particularly good for tracking action when shooting video. The virtually silent autofocus performance of the 1855mm kit lens is a further bonus. Not just for video, the 250D is a very accomplished package for stills. It's beginner friendly with the optional guided user interface and creative assist mode, which works seamlessly with the fully articulated touchscreen. The camera is also well able to grow with you as you learn new skills and techniques. Canon's excellent quick menu giving intuitive and instant access to important settings. One of the most compact and lightweight DSLRs on the market, the 250D is a camera you can take anywhere and everywhere. The only thing to criticize here is its autofocus system, which is fairly basic, and there are only 9 autofocus points and only one of them is cross type, able to resolve detail in both horizontal and vertical planes. Consider this camera for its compact and lightweight for a DSLR, great for movies as well as stills. The disappointment here is it is pricier than most of the beginners DSLR. Panasonic Lumix G100, one of the best beginner cameras for social media creatives. If you know you're likely to want to capture stills and video but are perhaps a bit of a no voice at both, the Panasonic Lumix G100 is a place to start. A super small camera weighing in at just 412 grams, the G100 nevertheless packs in loads of great features. It shoots sublime 4K 30p video and excellent 20MP stills, and thanks to the micro 4/3 mount, there are absolutely loads of lenses to choose from. The control layout also scores major points for how approachable it is. You tap the big red button to start recording, for instance. The customizable function buttons are a good way to encourage yourself to experiment with the different settings, while the touchscreen is also flexible and user-friendly. Also, there is a remarkable development. Panasonic has teamed up with the Nokia to give the camera Ozo Audio, a multi-mic system that makes the camera onboard audio recording actually quite decent. This alone makes it a great starter camera for vlogging and other social media creatives. Consider this camera for its user-friendly interface, onboard audio G9ly good. The disappointments here are no in-body stabilization and it has got a smaller sensor. Sony ZV E10. If your interest lies half and half with the video and photography, then a dedicated vlogging camera like the new Sony ZV E10 is perfect. It cuts back a little on the photography side, lacking an electronic viewfinder. But it comes back with the video features including 4K video and a fully vari-angle screen. It also packs a large and well-performing internal microphone with a clip-on muffler. Sony's excellent autofocus and an appealing price tag makes it the best buy. It's a shame that there is no in-body image stabilization and the menus can't be touch controlled. But for the beginners to video, this is unlikely to be a big drawback. What's more important is that because it uses the Sony E-mount, it also accesses to a large number of Sony and independent brand lenses. Consider this camera for its great autofocus feature and performance, vari-angle screen, clip-on wind muffler. The disappointments here are no in-body stabilization and no viewfinder. Fujifilm X-T200, one of the best mirrorless beginners camera. Fujifilm's mirrorless cameras, the X series, are not only impressive stylish looking but also have the imaging capability where it counts. The X-T200 is the latest in a line of beginner-oriented X cameras, and while it's pricier than the likes of Nikon D3500 or the Sony a6000, it's well worth considering. It's a terrific camera for both stills and video, and if you're someone who likes the dabble in both, it's probably got the edge over other cameras in this list. It can shoot beautifully crisp 4K at a frame rate of 30p and has a large, vari-angle 3.5-inch touchscreen for monitoring what you're shooting. A fixed LCD can be very restrictive when shooting video, especially if you're operating solo, so this is a major plus point here. This camera also has another ace in the hole, the X lens system. While not as voluminous as Nikon F lenses and with a fewer affordable optics than the Sony E system, the X lenses have well-deserved reputation for pin-sharp optical quality and gorgeous bokeh. It's a fantastic system to get into, and these lenses will continue to pay dividends if you upgrade to a more advanced Fujifilm camera like the X-T4. And also, if the X-T200 is too expensive, then check out the previous X-T100. Consider this camera for its simple but highly effective, small, lightweight and stylish. The disappointment here is it is pricier. So these are the 5 best cameras for beginners for 2022. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.